Stop! If you've ever Googled FASTag recharge, you may have already been scammed. And you'd have no idea. You're driving, toll coming up. Your phone buzzes, FASTag balance low. You pull over, open Google, first result, click, recharge, done. That's exactly what 8 crore Indians do every single day. Scammers aren't hacking your phone, they're not stealing your password. They're doing something far simpler and far more dangerous. Because FASTag isn't a prepaid wallet anymore. It's a direct line into your savings account. And most people don't know that. Here's exactly how it works, step by step. Step 1. You Google FASTag recharge. The first link has a sponsored tag. India's Cybercrime Authority, I4C, officially warned that top link could be a trap. Step 2. The site looks perfect. NHAI logo, clean layout, looks identical to the real thing. But check the address bar. You enter your vehicle number, mobile number, bank details. You pay. Recharge never comes, but your data is gone. Step 3. Minutes later, your phone rings. Calm voice, professional tone.
Sir, your recharge failed. Download this app to verify your account.
You download it. You've just handed them a live screen of your phone. A Mumbai man lost 2.4 lakh rupees in minutes. A woman lost 4.54 lakh rupees. She even verified the number. Didn't matter. In August 2025, NHAI launched the FASTag Annual Pass. 50 lakh people signed up. Within days, fake ads appeared on Instagram and Facebook. Official logo, official name, fake link. Some victims didn't just lose money. Their bank accounts were registered as mule accounts, used to launder other stolen money. You become part of a fraud chain without ever knowing it. Here's what you do right now, not tomorrow, right now. 1. Save 1033 in your contacts. That's the NHAI helpline. 2. Recharge only through your bank's official app. YONO, iMobile, HDFC app. Nowhere else. 3. Annual Pass is only at ihmcl.co.in or Rajmargyatra app. Any ad sending you elsewhere is a scam. 4. Never download an app a customer care caller sends you. Ever. 5. Got scammed? Call 1930 immediately. That's the cybercrime helpline. Report it. This scam is running right now as you watch this. Somewhere, someone just Googled FASTag recharge. Click the top result. The gap between what you trust and what you should trust is exactly where they live. Share this with one person who uses FASTag. You might just stop a 2 lakh rupee mistake. Follow TrustGap. We find the gap before it finds you.